go somewhere fun.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you are. Welcome back to the CrossFit Fred YouTube channel. I hope you're having a good day. I definitely am hoping I'm about to start having one. I'm on my way to go look at another project. Picture this, right? The Scabriolet. Right guys, I have arrived, and if you know whose bus that is, you'll know what I've bought, and I hope you don't laugh at it as much as I did when I first had a quick look round it a minute ago. Oh mate, she's rough, isn't she? Right, I would say that this is the definition of, if you squint, it's mint. The idea for this thing is to build what I call the Scabriolet. So, no roof, just front glass, absolutely nailed on floor on a set of expensive wheels, as big a motor as, you know, our last will allow. And fingers crossed, something you can actually stand in, because it's got no floors currently. I think I'm fairly lucky that all the structure, so all the heater channel tops and everything are all still in. I know there's a lot missing out, I said this one here and stuff, but it is fairly square considering how rotten the rest of the car is. It has had a spine under it, so it'll be as square as, you know, as you can get. But, oh, it's gonna take loads of work, but this is, I think, going on my South African pan. This is optional, I'm guessing. We'll see how we can get on with that. So it shouldn't be too bad. And it is going back on another pan that I already have. And that's pretty much built and ready to go. It'll just need a good service because it's been sat for the last 5 years in my barn. So what have I actually bought? It's a 66 Cabriolet, AKA the Scabriolet. I've bought a bonnet, wings, a body, some rear wings, and that's probably about it. There's a bunch of accessories and some chrome and some bits and bats with it to make it look more like a car. But the idea for this is really for it to just have a roof kind of frame, front glass, turn signals and headlights, same on rear end, nice set of wheels, set of cookies inside it, that's about it. It's gonna be bare bones. I can't help but think it is gonna look pretty cool with a big turbo motor sticking out at back, but at the minute, budget just doesn't allow for a turbo motor. I'm hoping this is going to be my Skeg Vegas ride. I've just got to get a few bits for it that I need, and it's going to need everything. I'm guessing heater channels, because everything needs heater channels. Probably everything 6 or 8 inch all the way around bottom half of the car. Some stuff is just going to have to be butchered off of the car to make it like separate from what's already there. But where are you going to get a Cabriolet for the amount I'm paying for this car? You're not going to get one. This is one of them stupid projects. It's if it's within 100-mile radius, once it's built, I'll drive it. If not, it's going to be too unsafe as far as I'm concerned, and it's going to go on a trailer. So I would like to say this is a sunny weather only car, and I would like to say that this is not going to be a really fucking stupid idea. Oh yeah, she's the rotten flavour, mate. If you don't already, make sure you follow Joe's channel as well. I'll link him in everything that I start to build, from Scabriolet and everything. He's gonna be building that, and if I'm totally honest with you, I think that's a lot worse than what I'm buying. Because that's the rear end and that's the front end, and they're not together. I know pan and spine and everything's in about 3,000 pieces, but I'll link him in everything, and fingers crossed this thing makes it to Skeg Vegas. If I don't win some sort of limbo challenge or patina award, I'm going to be fucked off, because every year they let something else win, and I can guarantee I've got it. Look at it. That's patina. And as well, for any of you dubbers that are into it, this is a budget swamper build. This is going to be built for £1,000. It's pretty cool. If you follow me, and you'll know what I get up to in my surf, and you know how much I loved my old caddy, this is a weird bit of me. I kind of like it. And then this is super nice. I do miss my T25, and I've flirted with the idea of buying this instead of that rotten Cabriolet, but I just haven't got money for it. But you should definitely message Joe if you're interested, because it is absolutely sweet. And then you've got his bay. This thing's got a blown bottom end, he says. But you know me, I'll drive out that's fucked, and I'll buy out that's fucked. Absolute beaut. I think that one, is this one an A-burner car?
It is, yeah, HP comps car, yeah.
And then
69 cobber.
Jesus Christ. You do love some rotten steel, don't you?
The back's not too bad, though. The back's, it's going to be a food truck. It's my brother's actually. So it's sort of getting there. Getting there.
That's super nice, mate. Fucking cool, that.
So it's good space. Good space.
And then there's Big Special. This thing lives in garage.
Big show.
Oh, I saw this when we were at Ninove, mate. You've done a great job at it.
Cheers, bro.
Super nice. Right, let's get back on motorway and go home. Fuck it, it's 50 mile an hour all the way home, mate. So that's it. I now own a 1966 Cabriolet Beetle, aka the Scabriolet. Obviously, it's ropey. Like, there's no question about it. I'm not buying that car because it's mint and it's a restorer car or like that. I'm buying it because, one, I'm a fucking idiot. Two, I have problems. And three, I have a pan engine gearbox, a rolling chassis that I can't do out with yet. And if you know my mate Edan, who's normally on all my videos with me doing the F100 stuff, E-Rate wants to weld something up for me. He loves welding, like that's long and short of it. Edan loves welding and I love buying cars. So between us, we can sort of get something decent. But I think what plan is get it back to our house. Joe said he's gonna truck it back up to my unit, sorry, not my house. He's gonna get it up to my unit. I'm gonna just stick it straight on top of my South African pan straight away. And then I'm gonna start ordering parts. Weirdly, the heater channels are good. Even though like the undersides are rotten, the rest of the channel's good. So that's either we try and bodge it and we plate bottom up, or we just buy heater channels for it, which I think I'm just gonna buy heater channels for it because they're not that expensive. There's this stupid brace thing that runs underneath them. That is very expensive, like 500 quid a side expensive. So guess what? It's not getting them. It's getting the cheapest heater channels you can get. It's going to get cheapest knapsack you can get, cheapest rear bulkhead, and kind of strengthening pieces you can get. If I can have like 500-600 quid in body panels for this car, I'll be pretty happy. And then pretty much I'll just blend what I can blend on car. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not going to be like as nice and clean as my 58 were as far as like the blend job I did on it, but it'll still be good. It'll still look like one colour car and everything. There's a few bits I'm gonna have to buy for it, a few bits that he's got that I can buy from him if I want. Like, it's gonna be cool when it's built. It is not going to be safe, it is not going to be road legal, and it is definitely not going to be MOT'd or any of that sort of stuff. But what it is going to be is really fucking cool. So follow along. I hope you enjoy whatever comes out of it. I'm not going to be doing any welding on this car. I'm going to be doing the blending side of it and then just putting bits and bobs back together. But follow along. I'm going to try and film as much of it as we can. I want to have that car ideally ready for Skeg Vegas this year, which I think is in September. Yeah, I think it's August, September time. So it is only going to probably go to one show this year. It is a bit of a silly, like, oh, I'm just going to spend money on a car for the sake of one show. But you know what? I've just spent best part of a fucking house on building a tattoo shop for everyone else. Why can't I have a bit of fun? So anyway, follow along. Make sure you subscribe and follow to Joe's channel. I'll link him to everything. He's doing some cool shit. He's got that swamper. He's doing his splitty. I'm guessing his bay at some point is going to get a bit of love as well. There's a bunch of stuff that he's got that's cool and he's building it all himself. So make sure you follow along with what he's doing as well. Obviously, Edan's going to be doing all welding and everything for me. So make sure you follow along on Edan's channel. I'll link all that as well in the description. And then I'll do all blending and little bits and bobs. Stuff that I know I can do, I'll do that. So subscribe to me as well. I think it's cool. Once this car's built, it's going to go to a show or two, and then it's going to be parked up again, and then we'll get to maybe restoring it one day. But if we're done, we're done. But either way, I just want everyone to have a good day, be happy, try and put some positive into the world. Even when it's shit, try and do something a little bit positive and something that makes you happy, makes someone else happy, makes the world a way better place to be. And I think we'll just leave it at that. Thank you for watching. Have a great good week or weekend or whatever it is, whenever it is that you're watching this. And let me know what you think to my new Cabriolet.